Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about pairs in C++. Now a pair is a data structure that has two components. They may be of the same data type, or if you want they may be of different data types, but the point is that they are connected and you can manipulate them both at the same time. So the first thing to do in order to create a pair is to include utility, which is where the pair data structure is located. Now to actually create a pair, you're going to write pair, and then these arrows in which you're going to put the data types of the first and second elements of your pair in order. So I want my first element to be an integer and the second to be a char. Now I'm going to name my pair, for example, P, just to keep it simple. Now parentheses, and inside of the parentheses, I'm going to put an integer and a character, which are going to be the first and second element of the pair respectively. So for example, 2 and M, for example. So now my pair is created. Now how do I access the elements of my pair? So I'm going to write cout p dot first, and this is going to access the first element of the pair. Now a \n, and now p dot second, like so. This is going to access the second element of the pair. And now if I run this, this is going to output 2 and then M, which is the first and the second elements of the pair. Okay, so this is how you access elements in the pair. Now, another way you can initialize a pair, if you don't want to do that right away up in here, you can just leave it uninitialized. And then you can say p dot first equals 2, and then p dot second equals M. So this is going to do exactly the same thing. Now, this is very impractical. Instead of doing this, you can just say p equals make pair, and then you can put the elements of your pair inside of this make pair function, which is going to pair them together and assign that value to p. So 2 and then M, like so. And as you can see, this works just the same. So these are 3 ways you can assign a value to your pair. And this is basically what a pair is and how you use a pair. There's really nothing to it. Now I'm just going to show you how you can use a vector or an array of pairs. So this is the same as a normal array definition, but instead of being any data type like int, string, char, etc., it's going to be a pair. So you can say pair int and then char and then p, and this is going to be an array, so you're going to define a size, for example 2. Now you can say p0 equals make pair 1 and then y, I don't know, something like this, and then p1 is going to equal make pair 2 and then o, for example. Now you can iterate through this array. So for ru in p, I'm going to cout u dot first, and then just a space, where is the quotation marks? Right here. And now u dot second, and now let's just end line. Oops, what did I do here? Okay, so this is basically just an array with 2 indexes, and each of them has a pair. So if I run this, this is just going to output the 2 pairs that I put inside of this array. You can also do this with vectors and other data structures that you want. So that's basically all I had to show you today. There's really not much to talk about a pair. It's just a normal data structure. It has 2 elements. You can manipulate them however you want. You can access the first by using the dot first attribute and the second by using the dot second attribute. You can make vectors and other data structures that have pairs inside, and that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it was clear and easy to understand. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and I'll see you in the next video.